beautiful people. I am Ruby, and this is Loki. Loki, do you have anything to say? Speak.
She doesn't like the microphone.
I know. Okay, let's just have it. Good bird. I hope you guys can hear it. She says, hello. Okay. Now, Loki, can we do turn around?
Turn around.
Oh!
Never work with children or animals, they say.
She's not a performance bird. She doesn't work in front of
Just
the
do
camera,
wings.
do you?
Wings.
Wings.
There you go.
Good bird. Good bird. Anyways, can you do... Oops, sorry about that.
Just do a handshake.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna do. Hey, Jay. Good bird.
High four.
Good bird. Such a good bird.
Jackie.
Now, can you do boop? Good bird.
And try a quick one, see if it does it.
Can we do...
Hang on, let me do. Loki, let's see. Can you do crest?
Oh, baby. Crest.
Just give her.
Aw.
She's trying.
She's trying. We give her a treat. So basically, the clicking noise is how she knows she's done the right thing. At least we think that. Oh.
See, she's doing all these things to try and impress us.
And basically, the wings thing, I accidentally told her how to do please. Because, I was like, oh, that's so cute. She's putting her wings up asking for the treat. I'm going to give it to her. And now she does that a lot more when she's asking for something. So, oh, so cute. I mean, it's a good habit to learn.
Yeah.
Can you do...
Okay, we better wrap this up.
Yeah, we'll wrap it up soon. Just introduce. Oh, Max is giving us... Max. Oh, Loki. Turn around.
Turn around, Loki. Good bird.
Good bird. Now, do you want to say, do speak? Good bird.
Let's see if I can get the microphone to work for it. It's okay.
let's see.
It's okay. Speak. Speak.
Speak.
It's very scared of the microphone.
Yeah. I mean, you can hear hiss.
Hissing's not what we're going for.
Aww. Good bird. We forgot to click. She's so cute. Now, can we do high four?
Boop.
Could she now see herself?
It's alright.
Anyways, we're going to start wrapping this off. Sorry about the bad quality camera. It's a different laptop than I usually use, but bye and have a nice day, night, evening, morning, wherever you are. Bye!